Good morning, and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Greg from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Greg.
Oil prices rose, extending the previous day's rally on optimism that a trade war between the United States and its major trading partners was abating, and as President Donald Trump ramped up pressure on Russia over its war in Ukraine. The dollar hit a one-month high versus the euro in the wake of a string of trade agreements between the United States and its major trade partners, while markets await interest rate decisions from the Federal Reserve and the Bank of Japan. The world's top Bitcoin mining ASIC manufacturer, Bitmain, is reportedly on the verge of opening its first US-based manufacturing plant. The company also reportedly plans to open a new headquarters in Texas or Florida by the end of the third quarter of 2025. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.5% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Alibaba's stock dropped 2.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Finland's gross domestic product will be released at 5 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT. The Austrian Producer Price Index at 7 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications will be released at 11 GMT. Australia's Consumer Price Index at 1:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. And on behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.